All right, all right. Hello, everybody. Everybody, welcome to the Secret Office. The Secret Office is happy and excited to welcome every single one of you today for this business overview of what's trust investing and where you get to learn about everything that we have to offer and how you can take advantage and how you can build an extra stream of income in the most innovative and simple way available on the market at this moment. All right, so my name is Mircea. I'm originally from Romania and I live in the United States, and I've been with this company for a little bit over 3 months and experienced amazing results that I'm definitely willing to share with the rest of the world. Okay, so here I am today in front of you. I'm not going to take you a lot of time from your busy schedule, but please, 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 as a favor, make sure you pay full attention to this. Do not treat it like it's another one of those things. My simple advice to you is focus. It's going to be 20 minutes, 25 minutes or so. Listen carefully, and then obviously ask your questions. You know, you feel free to contact us. There's a lot of ways to contact one of us in trust investing and get more information. So please pay a lot of attention. This could definitely mean a lot of good things for many of the viewers. All right, so without further ado, let's move to the presentation. I'm going to share my screen. Here we are, and we are here today to talk about our amazing company called Trust Investing, and Mircea is your host today, willing to share with you this amazing, spectacular opportunity. Let's move forward. Trust Investing is the company that welcomes you and wants you to be one of the first ones to learn about an opportunity that is revolutionizing the lives of many people around the globe. What are we going to do today? We're going to go over a few points about the company, about our market. We're going to describe our service, compensation plan, and the career plan for those that are interested. All right, so who is Trust Investing? We are a company specialized in the management of crypto assets. Crypto assets. We operate together with the most daring markets with possibilities of greater liquidity, and we offer our partners, you, me, and the X amount of other people that join this company. The company offers the opportunity to be part of this new innovative world. In other words, ladies and gentlemen, the company is a management company. They have their legal contracts with 7 different brokers that are trading for us, and you'll learn a little bit further what this means. Okay, so a crypto assets management company that is producing a lot of positive results for their investors, in this case us, the ones that decided to go ahead and join this company and take advantage of this amazing business model. All right, who are the responsibles for creating this company? Diego Chavez and Fabiano Lima. Diego Chavez is the CEO, specialized in business management with more than 10 years of experience in the network marketing. Okay, and Fabiano Lima, a businessman since he was 19. These two people have been through a lot, together or not together, you know, in the same business, but they did go through a lot and they acquired a lot of experience, which is a good thing. It's a plus for a person that is willing to join them and shake hands and move along them side, because we know that they learn from a lot of mistakes, not their own mistakes, but mistakes in this very wild business world out there, and they put together something simply amazing, something that we can all kind of take advantage of right now without the fear of going through what they have been through. Okay, This is the part that I like the most. We have a mission, a vision, and a values. Our mission is to make the financial market a practical channel for people to invest and become partners in our business club. Uh, how many of us are not? It was my case, right? I decided to dig into the trading field, and I really wanted to learn more about forex and trading and the financial market as a whole. But I did not have the time. And when I discover ways to do it, I find it pretty pricey to go through different courses and take classes. And I think it takes a lot in order to become a professional to be able to to receive good earnings in this field. And this is where trust investing comes in to make this financial market a practical channel for everybody to invest without the need of having to go through the loss and errors and all that time consuming learning experience, right? Our vision is to generate extra variable income for a greater number of people through trading, partnership in the financial markets, all right? And our values, we operate with transparency. This is a huge one for me personally. Transparency, reliability, and veracity, thus able to collaborate with the development of humanity. Ladies and gentlemen, transparency for me personally, like I said, and integrity are two huge factors. And what I see here, it's exactly that, something that checks my box big time. And I'm going to share with you some more details a little bit later after you get a full overview of our business. All right. So what do we do? What's our market? Our market are, we operate in the financial market and in the cryptocurrency market, okay? So financial market in the economics is known pretty much as the entire universe that involves the purchase and sale of financial assets, such as, shares, bonds, precious stones, commodities, and forex, okay? Cryptocurrency is obviously, for those that don't know, a means of exchange, which in this case, in our case, the company operates with Bitcoin, is decentralized, okay? And it uses blockchain technology and cryptography to ensure the validity of transactions and the creation of new units of the currency. This is something that definitely Mr. Satoshi Nakamoto in 2009 kind of, I think, set up the word for a new era with this invention, which is Bitcoin. What do we do? What do we do? Very, very simple, okay? I know this is a lot of unknown. It was a lot of unknown to me when I first started, and it took me months and months and months of investigating and being close to the company and to its people and trying to find out the most details about it. But guys, it's very simple. What do we do? The company is offering the opportunity for you and me, for regular people who don't have the time, who don't have the knowledge, willing to invest in the financial markets, okay, and create a stream of income by doing this. The company offers several packages of investment, of management that we are willing to put in, and the company is basically trading this for us, okay? They do trading, daily trading. Like I said, they have a contract signed with different brokers. There's 7 different brokers across the world. They're not in one place, and all of them, they have their own strategy, okay? So every single one of them comes with their own strategy. They have their own focus, they have their own technology, and they all do different things, which gives the company the opportunity, which gives trust investing the opportunity of basically being able to offer daily earnings between 0.1 up to 5% daily from our investment. Okay, so I'm going to repeat this again. An investment that we make with trust investing is guaranteed to pay back to us a positive yield every single day between 0.1 to 5%. Obviously, except Saturdays and Sundays, the financial markets are not operating on weekends, okay? But Monday through Friday, 0.1 up to 5% per day. And you can see here an example of how you can have a 1% one day, and you have 2.9 the other day, and you have 1.2, and then 4, and then you have 0.9. Every single day is different according to the job performed by the professional traders, professional brokers that a company has contracted for these services, okay? As you can see on the right side, I attached to this presentation a history of every single month since the launch of the company. The company launched in May 2017, it launched publicly, okay? And you can tell by going month by month that pretty much we can talk about an average of 20% per month, an average of 20% of earnings per month. In other words, ladies and gentlemen, in other words, a $1,000 investment, for instance, it brings you approximately, I repeat this, $200 a month earnings, okay? Here's the deal. What do we do? How does it work? What are the limits? It's very simple. We not compromise, sorry. I try to translate from my own language into English sometimes and it comes out bad, but here's the thing. We put in a certain amount of money, okay? And our promise is to keep that money there until it duplicates, until we have a 200% earnings, okay? Until it duplicates. Then the company's promise is to pay us that amount necessary to duplicate. How long is gonna take, Mircea? Well, I don't know, because as you can see, every month is more or less, okay? But if judging by the average, it should duplicate in about 10 months, 9 months, 11 months. It all depends. Every single month is different. But to get to a 200%, considering that we can talk about the 20% monthly, well, we have about a 10 months period between, like I said, between 9, 10, 11 months period of duplication. All right, so what happens after that? Well, the plan ends and we can continue. We can purchase another plan. We can purchase a higher plan. Whatever we want to do down the road, we decide. Every one of us as an individual can make that decision, make that call, and continue or not, okay? We have, as you can see, as an investor, you have up to 200%. So that's the earnings that the company is promising to us, okay? Or if you decide to build a network, if you decide, and I'm going to explain this in detail later on, if you decide to build a network, your earnings could be up to 500% in the same amount of time. It's amazing. It's simply mind-blowing. All right. Another option for those people who are not very familiar with the trading, who are not willing to risk it, let's say risk it, because it's what the word that comes out a lot is risk, even though we all know that there's no business without risk, okay? But if people want to feel safer, the company offers a second service, which is an investment plan in diamonds. It's called Trust Diamond, okay? Our service is the Trust Diamond is providing us as an investors the opportunity to invest in the mining of ecological diamonds with the promise of obtaining real earnings in a certain established period of time, okay? How does it work, Mircea? Still not clear to me. Okay, very simple. The company has associated with a company a mining company in Brazil, okay? And they also have mines in Colombia, and they have offices in Europe, in Zaragoza and Spain, okay? And they are exploring for extraction of gemstones, okay? And then what do? We basically invest to help them continue the exploring and the extraction of these precious gemstones. and they promise 300% return on our investment right here, down here. This is a fixed term contract, ladies and gentlemen. It starts from minimum $1,000. So we have different options of investment. Okay, we can start with as low as $1,000, a contract period of 12 months, and the payback is 3 times the investment. This is mind-blowing. It's a fixed term contract. You cannot touch the money during those 12 months, but the promise is to receive 3 times the investment back in 12 months. Okay, what do? The company uses our investments to, like I said, develop and grow and keep exploring and extracting for diamonds. And then obviously the payback is with whatever they find and they sell, the diamonds and the precious stones. We get a share of that, which is reflected as 3 times the investment. The good thing about this, because this is where it comes in, the safety part, let's say, is that once we purchase a package of diamonds, we are receiving a contract from the company, from Trust Investing. You receive a contract stating that your investment is backed up with these gemstones. So in other words, if I decide to put down $2,000 in diamonds package, the company will give me a contract saying that they back up my investment with diamonds. In case of something occurs, something happens, I can go and claim for my diamonds. I can get $2,000 worth of diamonds according to that contract that we all receive. Another amazing, fantastic news that we received, and I saw it live from our CEO who announced it in a live Zoom meeting, was that any investor that decides to invest over $50,000, so the packages of $50,000 or $100,000, those investors have the privilege, if they wish to, okay, if they wish to, they have the opportunity to travel to Switzerland, where it's located the bank that the company is registered with, and the bank has the actual stones in there, the actual diamonds. They are being safely stored in that bank. And each individual can bring their own lawyer if they wish to. They can bring their own gemstone expert to analyze the gemstones, and they sign the contract on the spot with the CEO. So the CEO of Trust Investing is willing to travel to Switzerland, to the bank, with the customers, with the investors, lawyers, and experts, and whoever they feel like they want to bring with them, and sign the contract on the spot in person after verifying that everything is legal and everything is it looks good. So an amazing opportunity here, with the certainty that you get something that is safe and it has basically no risks, because you get your contract backing up your investment. Amazing option right here, ladies and gentlemen. Withdrawal of our earnings, and on the left side, as you can see, we have the rules for the trading option, which we can withdraw the daily earnings. They are accumulating for 30 days, okay? And then every 30 days, they're being transferred to your available to withdraw wallet. You have a wallet in your back office and you're available to withdraw, and you can withdraw your earnings every 30 days if you wish so, okay? It's not mandatory. You can reinvest, you can keep it there, you can do as you wish, but the company gives you the money every 30 days, which is an amazing thing, which is great, okay? So every 30 days of operations, you get to withdraw your earnings if you wish so. If you decide to leave them there, it's fine, okay? There is a withdrawal fee of 5%, which is an amazing deal considering other platforms that I've seen out there. Okay, so every single day you're able to track the earnings according to the percentages communicated by the company. You see them going into your back office, but they become available every 30 days. So there's 30-day cycles where all the daily earnings accumulate, and then you're able to withdraw them as you wish. Okay. In a diamond case, if you invest in the diamonds, obviously you may make withdrawals after the 12 months period when your contract ends. Same rate applies, 5%, and receipt deadline is 48 hours in both cases. It never takes more than 12, maybe 16 hours. The money goes straight to your external wallet. Easy, safe, and very, very, very fast. Okay. How do I join, Mircha? I love what you're showing me. I want to take this step. I want to take action, and I really want to see if I'm able to register. Well, registration, ladies and gentlemen. The first step is registration, which is free. You ask for a link for the person that invited you to this presentation, from someone that you know that is in the company with us. Ask for the registration link, sign up, it's completely free. The thing is, you have to activate it later on, okay? So the activation consists in what, Mircha? In case of the diamonds, in the diamonds case, you have to purchase one of those packages, okay? $1,000, $2,000, $3,005, and so on, okay? One of those packages you get to purchase in order to activate yourself. In the case of the trading, which I forgot to mention to you earlier, the trading options start from $15, ladies and gentlemen. I kept it for this moment because I think it's amazing. I think everybody watching this presentation was already thinking about how many thousands are these people going to ask from us to invest. It's not like that. This is not one of those things, ladies and gentlemen. This is the thing. This is the option. This is the platform that will allow you to build something from small, from big, from whatever you want. The options begin with $15. We have options as low as $15, $30, $60, $100 packages, okay? The same percentage earnings and the same everything applies to every single one of the packages. So starting with $15 all the way to $100,000, you can invest, and the good news is that you can buy as many packages as you wish. So you can only open one account with us, okay? But you can purchase and invest as many packages as you wish to. It's amazing. It's an option that obviously the person that invited you will discuss it in detail with you. I personally invite people to start, if they wish to start, with a round sum. So for instance, if it's not the same if you start with $100 or $1,000, then if you start with 15 or 30, it's easier to monitor your daily earnings and take the percentages. Sorry, when you start with 100 or 1,000 or something like that. If you don't have $100, it's fine. Start with 15, start with 30, start. Ladies and gentlemen, you join this company, you take your place, you take your spot in the company, and you will learn and see it and experience it yourself from the inside. You don't have to listen to what Mircha tells you. You don't have to listen to what others tell you. You can experience this by yourself with as little as $15. If you don't believe it, if you don't trust, if you don't understand it, you know what? Put down a $100 package, a $30 package, a $15, whatever you can afford. Start, experience it, and you will understand the entire concept in less than a week. I guarantee you. I had a ton of people, and if some of my people that are in my team are watching this, they can definitely comment below and say if it's true or not what I'm saying. A lot of people had joined this company just to try to experience, to see what it is, and in a matter of a week or 2 weeks or something like that, they raised their investment plans because they realized how serious the company is and how this amazing model works in our favor. All right. After the activation is complete, your package will start making your profits 48 hours later after, since the company has to go through a process of verifications. Okay, so as easy as it gets, ladies and gentlemen, free registration, activation with as low as $15 in the trading case and $1,000 in the case of the diamonds, and you get to experience something never seen before. All right, now if you have noticed, okay, we spent already a few minutes together here, and I never ever mentioned to you anything about inviting others, about calling people, about having to recruit others, nothing like that. All this that I show you, it's working, and the company actually, like I told you, it was launched back in May last year, but they actually worked for 2.5 years as a private investment club before opening to public. So 2.5 years, they got enough time to adjust and prove this system before opening to public. There was less than 50 people in that club, and they actually experienced pretty much the same results as we are experiencing right now as a company open to public. All right. Now, if you do want to recommend this, if you do want to grow, if you do want others to benefit from this amazing model, we have a marketing compensation plan which can grow your income a lot more than you can even imagine. All right. And why not recommend something that it works in such an easy and productive way for us? Why? That's why I'm here today. That's why I'm in front of you right now giving this presentation, because I believe in this. I'm experiencing, I live off this. Okay, we went through 3 months, the past 3 months of lockdown, being jobless, have a family with 2 kids. The only income I was able to generate was through this amazing business model that kept us, and I can say that helped us survive through all this period of time. Okay, so if you believe in this and you wish others to benefit from it, recommend it. And here's the payoff. All right, what can I get, Mircha, if I recommend this business? Well, look at you on the left, direct indication bonus. You gain every time you indicate somebody, every time when you sign somebody up with your link, you get a 10% of that person's investment. Okay, right away, straight to your wallet, available to withdraw. Okay, 10% direct indication bonus. As simple and as easy as it sounds, that's exactly how it operates. You recommend, people invest, you get 10%. Done. Second bonus, it's called the team bonus. The team bonus is a very lucrative business model that I am truly impacted by. It works, it's so simple, and it works miracles. How does it work, Mircha? Well, you get 10% every day once you start building. Once you start inviting others, you're gonna place them either to your left or to your right, okay? And you start growing a team, okay? Now, what happens? Every time a person comes into your team, all right, they bring a certain amount of money as an investment, okay? So all that accumulates, and you can tell here that you have a left branch that is shorter, that has less money, less volume than the right one. All right. Okay, so what happens here? The company says every single day we give you 10% from the shortest branch, from the one that has less volume. 10% from the 20,000, it's 2,000. The day is over, you got paid $2,000 for having invited this person, for instance, and this person, for instance. All right, you activated your binary tree. All right, and then these branches started growing because these people have done the same as you, have recommended this with others, All right, the others joined, brought in the amount, and then you, because you are the initiator of this binary tree, you get 10% from the shortest branch every single day. As simple as it sounds is as simple as it is. I promise you, very lucrative, very rewarding, and it makes complete sense. All right, for more details, obviously, get with the person who invited you, and they can discuss this and describe this in more detail for you, but it's very, very simple and it works miracles. All right, for those that are willing to go all in, for those that are really professionals in network marketing who really want to explore and experience the maximum growth with this company, we have a career plan. A career plan is not the only thing that we focus on. As you notice, this presentation is completely different than everything that you've seen. Other companies will start painting you bright, shiny ranks that you have to hit in order to get to receive your earnings. Here you join and you start earning. 48 hours after you join, you start earning money. Career plan comes by default. Career plan is something that you can focus on it if you wish to, okay, as well as building a team. It's something that you do it if you wish to, okay? It's not mandatory. So career plan, if you decide to take on to this, we have certain positions that pay you a monthly salary, all right? So this bonus here that you see, it's $100 a month, is being paid to a team leader. A team leader, it means that a person that has a package, a 6-star package, in this case, a 6-star package is $1,000 investment, and has 2 people that they brought into the business with 6-star packages themselves, okay? And below these 2 people, there's a total of 16,000 points, all right? That's when you become a team leader. Again, more details can be discussed in private with a person that invited you, and with other leaders in the company, with myself. Like I said, feel free to contact me, all right? But this is as simple as it gets, and you get $100 a month for life, as long as these conditions are being fulfilled, and you don't have to requalify the next month, and the next month here you never start from zero, okay? And then you are so on your way to make a career with trust investing, okay? The rest of the positions, I'm not gonna go into detail with them, but here's just for you to have an idea, okay? What you can get as a team leader, $100 a month, $400 a month as a manager. You can get $1,000 a month as a regional director. National director we pays, hold on, come on, $3,000 a month. International director pays you $8,000 a month. Continental, $30,000 a month, and global director, $150,000 a month, apart from everything else that I described to you earlier, okay? Ladies and gentlemen, this is it. We came to the end of this presentation. Feel free to search Trust Investing on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Telegram, or you can subscribe to our channel, subscribe to the Secret Office channel, and you get to get updates very often. You get to get a lot of information, both in English and in Spanish, okay? And you are on your way to becoming part of this family. Let me close with this. It's very different. Trust investing, they brought to the market a very different business model, and I know for a fact that it's only going to get better. I've been with them for a short time, 3 months only, okay? The company's been around for over a year, open to the public, and 3.5 years functioning as with the same model. It's only going to get better. The time to get in is now. The time to take advantage is now. It's been extremely rewarding for myself, for my family, and for a lot of people that decided to take this step alongside me. And I'm very eager to working with every single one of you. Do not hesitate to ask for more details. Like I said, social media is very important. Go ahead, do your research. But most importantly, ladies and gentlemen, most important is start today. You have the option to be part of such an amazing company and start with little money, risk free. Okay, 15, 30, 60, $100. This should be as simple as it gets. Join and you get to know trust investing from the inside. You get to participate in there and the trainings. You get to see a lot more as part of the company than being an outsider. So with all this, I send blessings your way. Have an amazing day, night, morning, wherever you are in this world. And I wish to be partnering with you, and I hope to see you all part of this amazing trust investing company and business model. God bless you all.